Loaf Sofa Review. Pros: superb style. Loaf sofas are a furniture lover's dream, known for their laid-back, cozy, and stylish designs. They prioritize comfort while effortlessly adding character to any room-quality construction. Loaf sofas are built for longevity. Sturdy frames, premium fabrics, and top-notch craftsmanship mean they'll hold up over time. Plush comfort. Loaf excels at creating incredibly comfortable sofas. Generous cushioning and sink-in softness are hallmarks of their designs. Material options. Customize your look with a wide range of fabrics, from luxurious velvets to durable linens. You'll find something to suit your style and home. Cons: cost. Loaf. Sofas are a premium investment. While their quality justifies the price tag, they may not be accessible to everyone. Low backs. Some Loaf sofa designs have lower backrests, which might not provide optimal support for everyone. Plumping required. The soft cushioning may need regular plumping and rearranging to maintain that showroom-perfect look. Delivery time. Loaf sofas are often made to order, leading to potentially long wait times. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.